Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification too, so you did not miss any of the uploads of this channel. Technically, I'm reacting to an artist from DRC, but also, yeah, dual citizenship match. This artist has been in every Motswana's screens for a very long time. Okay, Macintosh coming soon. That's the name of the artist. That's a long name. So that's shortening. Coming soon was good. Anyway, the name of the song is KUFA. And this artist, man, has done a lot for the music industry in Tswana. And him finally releasing the song, I feel like, I don't know, it's beautiful stuff, okay? So I guess the backstory for those of you who might not coming soon is from DRC, but he's been in Botswana for a very long time. I think at this point he is a dual. I don't know, but he's been in part of the industry at a very time. So finally has an album out, and we're going to listen to the song today. I think it was recorded by Jack Botoko. Oh yeah, let's get. Hold on. Get to the song.
Nzambe bana bazokufa bakona nini Nzambe
Very animated dancer, man.
bana bazokufa bakona nini Nzambe bana bazokufa bakona nini Nzambe Bobo mangai pamba oh Bobeta biziki Boti kanga na fanda Macintosh sule Kamukela mino batana Kamukela sinte batana barona Kimwana walona no matter what Kimwana walona no matter what Nyole yarona dese yarona bana bazokufa pona nini Nzambe bana bazokufa pona nini Nzambe
Hey, you can't match that,
Être con animateur bébé scum Why you do la bana mama rosokola Date Zambi Date Zambi Date Zambi Date Zambi Kiri why you do la bana mama rosokola Date Zambi Date Zambi Date Zambi Date Zambi Bana bazokufa pona nini Nzambe 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 Merci.
So that's actually a promotional video. So yeah, and I know you're probably thinking, wait, is that language from Botswana? No, there is a little bit of Tswana in there, like I said, coming from DRC, but we are claiming him. He's a Motswana now. Okay, so big up to Jack Botloko for giving the promo video. I don't know when the actual videos are coming, but yeah, I feel like they should be out by now. What's the delay, guys? What's the delay? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. If you're watching this, hit that subscribe, hit notification. Any of the uploads on the channel, I will see you guys on the side.